It's Thursday, October 26th at 7 o'clock in the morning in California, 10:05 a.m. in New York City. So today was just going to be the total opposite of yesterday. Yesterday I spent the whole day in front of the computer, took 41 trades, and was up and down and back and forth across the line, but I finished strong at almost 3,000 bucks. Today was going to be a little bit different. Today I'm one and done. I have committed myself to following, some rules. I like that I got a good trade out first thing in the morning, and I think I'm just gonna, bag those winnings and just walk with it and feel good about it. My Rock Solid Trading Wisdom Journal today said, "Where do you make money? You make money by taking continuation trades on the 5 minute sells. Learn how to make sure it's really rounded the corner. Keep marking prior swing lows and make great resistance points on the 5 minute chart. Make money by being patient most of the time, aggressive when necessary. By looking for heads and shoulders patterns or three-wave patterns. Use relatively fresh trends. Look for symmetry in the chart patterns. Look for probes that are actually back tests designed to shake out weak hands, which your FOMO traders are getting too early. Always put your stop above the swing high of the reversal pattern. Always size your lots properly. Always. You will lose your ass by chasing, not measuring your size, YOLOing in, not setting a stop." Okay, so that was my sort of notes that I made for this morning's trading. This morning, basically, Microsoft was trading much higher yesterday, I believe it was. Yeah, it had earnings 2 days ago and shot up, and then yesterday it started selling off a little bit, and then today there was a lot of volume on it, and I had my eyes on it, and a bunch of other stuff too. But I just kept looking around for my patterns. So my patterns are on a 5 minute chart, and I'm looking for a reversal pattern that has spikes up through the EMAs. So here we had initial strong push down from the open, and then we had we had a spike here, and then we had a little small candle here under all the EMAs, and then another spike over. So these two spikes were the symmetry that I was looking for, with a down trending motion. So I don't know if you can kind of see what I'm talking about here, but we spiked up, we failed. We held the 200 and we held all the EMAs on this third candle. On this fourth candle, we spiked up again and started failing. Then when I was watching the lows here, I said, okay, that looks like a decent pattern. Also looks like what I call a three-wave pattern, which is also that's on my, is that on? Yeah, three-wave pattern here. So a three-wave pattern is when there's three tries and three fails. So they don't all have to be the same, but generally they're descending. So we had 1, 2, and three waves that all failed. And then when we broke the lows, what I did is I got short as we broke the lows, and at I think it was 336.45. Let's see here, 337.45, 337.45. So I got short right about there, and then I wrote it down for about 5 minutes. It started to bounce a little bit, and it bounced once. It went down to my target, which was 2K, but I didn't take my money, and I should have. It started bouncing up, and then when it bounces back down again, that's when I got my $2,000. So basically the day had one trade today. The win was $2,049, really $2,037 after commissions, and I had one trade. So basically that's it. Here's my equity curve, trying to come back up here. I'm almost a couple $1,000s back over the zero line, and hopefully, using this kind of trading plan on every single trade. I like shorting. They're not always going to have shorts available, but I like shorting because I think you get away from your entry point faster, and it just creates more space there, which creates more cushion and more room, and less likelihood of being stopped, and less stress, mental stress. You know, the further away you get from your entry, the faster you get there. It just creates a lot less mental stress, and you're able to hang in. So, but this is the plan. This is what I'm trying to stick to right here. And it worked today on trade number 1, and I'm just going to take it and be done. I don't need to do anything else. All right, that's it for now. I'll talk to you in the next one.